I'd like to invite Professor Shivakumar Srinivasan, Chair of the Division of Sciences at Korea University, to please offer a brief welcome note to this session.
Good morning, and I extend a warm welcome to everyone here. Let me thank Professor Ananya and her team for the opportunity to participate in this event. As you know, Professor Ananya directs the Center for Writing and Pedagogy at Korea. This center was particularly created to equip our students with skills in writing and communication. Our courses, including those in the sciences, are writing intensive. The required skills have to be taught because we don't expect students to come equipped with these skills. To address this issue, the center crafted a course on writing and oral communication, a course that is taken by all our students. In my opinion, this is one of the most effective courses our students do in their first year of study. The real impact and the efficacy of this course are realized in the courses students subsequently do. We do see change in their ability to communicate as evinced by the quality of their essays which they write. I think that's proof enough to assure you about the quality of this workshop as well. I believe that most of you are associated with academics, either students or teachers. And when we talk of academic writing, we expect something like structure, precision, focus, evidence-based arguments, rigor, and coherence. These features are supposed to help us assimilate and understand the content of what we read, but we are all familiar with the situation where we often curse the authors for their unhelpful and terse writings. But academic writing can be lucid, engaging, and even entertaining without compromising any of the qualities that I just mentioned. But that comes with practice, and you know that it is difficult to practice and perfect any craft that is hard or painful. Let me assure you, you don't have to fear. Here you have a team of dedicated professionals who will convince you that academic writing is indeed enjoyable. You can do it without tears.
Yes.
I need not tell you the importance of writing well if you wish to be recognized. But in my experience, there is something more to it. One of the ways to learn is to teach, it is often said. And to teach well, we need to organize our thoughts. In the process, we recognize connections among concepts which might otherwise be overlooked. And importantly, we realize gaps in our own understanding, and that means we learn. Okay? Writing almost does that. Writing helps you to organize your thoughts. It brings forth gaps in your understanding as you need to infuse some coherence and structure in your writing. Being visual, it appeals more to our cognition, much more than what hearing can do. As I speak, the moment I stop speaking, of course, it is gone. Whereas when you write something on a paper, it is there in front of your eyes, it keeps reinforcing the ideas in your mind. And this is one of the reasons, in fact, why many research scholars are asked to write a review article before they actually launch their research. Because writing the review article actually helps them to learn the subject in a proper way, identify gaps, important questions, and so on and so forth. So I would say, consider this as a unique and a fabulous opportunity to learn from the masters the art, craft, and science of writing with pleasure. Happy sentencing, and thank you.